Hello. Thank you, Ms. Kusuma, for your nice invitation. Registrar of the University, Professor C. Jayasuma, respected directors of this university, Professor Babulu Garu, Director Evaluation, Professor R. Rajesh Rao Garu, Director Academic Audit, Professor Nagaraj Garu, Director Relations and Placement, respected principals of constant, affiliated and autonomous colleges, respected heads of the departments, above all, my dear student friends from various colleges of this esteemed university, my dear teaching staff, non-teaching, present media, very good morning one and all. It's my honor and privilege to stand before you today on this auspicious occasion of 76th Republic Day of our great nation. As we unfold the tricolor, let us take a moment to honor the vision of our founding leaders and renew our commitment to uphold the ideas of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity enshrined in our Constitution. As we come together to celebrate the ideals enshrined in our Constitution, let us reflect on the progress we have made as a nation and opportunities that lie ahead. The past year has been remarkable for India. We have witnessed incredible achievements across various sectors like space exploration. India's space program reached new heights with the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 on the moon. This milestone reinforced India's position as a global leader in the space exploration. And another one is digital transformation. The Digital India mission continues to empower the millions of thorough initiatives like 5G rollout, expanding internet connectivity, and driving e-governance, which make our nation a hub of technological innovation. I really feel proud that we are all belongs to this great technological university with a great people, Jawaharlal Nehru and Gurujada, and we really feel proud to have this technological university. Economic growth is another innovation. India emerged as the fifth largest economy in the world, showcasing resilience in the face of global challenges and creating blueprint for the sustainable and inclusive growth. Sustainability, our nation made strides in the renewable energy, achieving significant milestones in solar and wind power, reaffirming our commitment to combating the climate change and leading by example on the global stage. I really feel proud that our university already initiated this renewable energy as a sustainability, and we have initiated solar plant also. I appreciate the Department of Electrical Technology to take up this initiative of this solar plant. And another one is startup ecosystem. India retained its place as one of the fastest growing startup ecosystems, producing new unicorns across the industries like fintech, health tech, and agri-tech. These accomplishments remind us of immense potential our nation holds and transformative power of innovation, determination, and collaboration. As much as we celebrate our nation's success, let us not forget this triumph to take personal responsibility for your growth and success. Be disciplined, be consistent, and most importantly, mindful of opportunity before you. As students of this prestigious university, you have privilege and responsibility to shape not just your future, but also our nation. Let us together resolve to uphold the values of hard work, dedication, integrity. Let us pledge to contribute to our nation's progress through innovation, entrepreneurship, and responsible citizenship. So you need not always be job seekers. You may be a job provider. My dear young student friends, on this occasion, I will bless you. Some of majority of the students, you should be in a position as an entrepreneur. In closing, let us remember the words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transforms into thoughts. Thoughts result in action. Dream big, my dear students, but remember, dreams comes true only when combined with discipline, hard work, and persistence. Let us all strive to make our university, our community, and our nation pride. My dear students, as future torchbearers of our country, I urge you to dream big and embrace challenges with courage and creativity. India's young minds have the power to shape not only our nation's destiny but also world's. My dear young student friends, I believe you are the power. You have enormous power at this age, so you can move the nation with all your young minds, innovative ideas, and your thoughts. Consider entrepreneurship a pathway to contribute to the society. Whether it's solving critical problems, creating jobs, or driving innovation, entrepreneurs play a vital role in shaping nation's growth. Let us remind you, every idea it matters. What seems small today can revolutionize the world tomorrow, my dear young student friends. You are the energy, you are the force for this country. So nowadays country, we are all talking about AI. So you are like here, you have that much power, that enormous power with you. I hope, I wish AI is not required for India. Definitely your power is more. So I believe definitely this young team as having this enormous power, with this positive attitude, you can definitely go ahead. Don't fear failures, my dear young friends. See, all these things are stepping stones of the victory. Leverage the opportunities and resources around you. Our university provides strong foundation, including incubators, mentors, vibrant ecosystem for budding entrepreneurs. My dear young student friends, it's high time for all of you to make use of the resources provided by the university to mold yourself and our state, our country, in turn, our world. As we celebrate Republic Day, let us rededicate ourselves to building a better India, a India that is a self-reliant, inclusive, and visionary. You, the students today, are the architects of tomorrow of India. Believe in your abilities, work relentlessly towards your goals, and contribute to make our nation a global leader in all our spheres. My dear young student friends, I have seen many of the students. See, you are very sensitive, and even for small things you are unable to stand also. So my dear young student friends, apart from your regular activity, and you should be a strong person by maintaining good health, by taking good diet. Especially for women students, again and again I am telling, you are having lot of systematic approach and you can do wonders. Don't get disappointed for small things, my dear young student friends. You can do wonders. So I can say here, I am from rural background and all my elementary school education in very small village, and really with all my, maybe I achieved this place. Of course, my stage is very small, but even then I achieved this place because of my dedication and commitment and enthusiasm to get this place. Definitely here you can do wonders, my dear young student friends. So you please go ahead with confidence. Don't get disappointed for small things. So even I faced lot many failures. I feel these failures, these are opportunity to learn the things. Don't get disappointed and always think positively. This gives you lot of the power, and you maintain the creativity, consistency. Definitely you can achieve your goal. So on this auspicious occasion, once again, I thank the committee members to give me this opportunity to share my few ideas. Once again, Happy Republic Day to all of you, and thank you. Jai Hind.